Another day of mayhem. Elon Musk broke some historic news today. There was a turning point for Shiba Inu. Things are quickly getting out of hand and the analysts seem to be going crazy. Almost $18 trillion is at risk. It's no longer funny. I don't understand what's happening or why everyone is so interested. Sure, I'll do my best to explain. Enjoy your daily dose of Shiba with affluent coins. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and get the most up-to-date news predictions. Hit that like button if you want to see more Shib news stories. A fascinating event happened recently in the Bitcoin community. An unprecedented level of open interest in Shiba Inus has emerged alongside the continuing recovery of the Bitcoin market. MemaBot is an arbitrage program that claims to provide an easy way to make money with cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at it first. Users can expect a return on investment (ROI) of 5 to 10% every day. However, I don't understand how it functions. Okay, we'll analyze it. Please explain MemaBot to me. One platform that makes Bitcoin arbitrage easier is MemaBot. The term arbitrage describes the practice of making money off of price differences, in case you're unfamiliar with it, in a wide variety of markets. In this case, the bot attempts to maximize profits by automatically trading between 12 different cryptocurrency pairings it finds on each platform. With little to no effort on your part, you have a chance to profit from the fluctuations in Bitcoin values. How does it work in practice? Prior to starting, users are required to deposit a specific amount of cryptocurrency onto the site. Take this account as an example, $1,000 is invested in it. Additionally, the company asserts that the bot has the potential to generate $1,000 every day for a solid 10% return after 15 days. There are a variety of arbitrage trading chances available that the withdrawal will be performed. If the website delivers as advertised, this would be a great way to make money without actively doing anything. While that's happening, a team of programmers is fixing the bot, adding new features, and enhancing its programming so it can compete. In an effort to make arbitrage trading accessible to more people, the platform is working to lower the entry barrier while simultaneously raising the bar for skill. However, people should conduct their own research before investing in any site. Following the website's instructions and to make such large gains could lead you to lose everything. That being said, returning to the video is in order. The most recent data from CoinLast reveals that there were an astounding 18.6 trillion Shiba Inu worth around $400 million owned in outstanding futures contracts. Please allow me to explain this in case you are unfamiliar. Open interest tells at the moment. Such an increase suggests that Shiba Inu is receiving a lot of attention from traders who are likely to make some big moves, even if they're only betting on the price's future direction. Here you will find the most crucial part. The fact that open interest has increased suggests that the value could rise by 25% in a single day. That there has been some volatility in the value of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is evidence of the breed's continued popularity, since losing ground below the 4.0s28 1 month ago, and has struggled to regain ground ever then. The investors are quite irritated by the slow progress. Over the past 30 days, they have watched the tokens float without seeing any noticeable increase. This kind of price action could be especially discouraging for those who are anticipating a strong rebound or new highs. Who can say what the future holds for the Shiba Inu? But for now, it's just talk. Even though the cryptocurrency market as a whole isn't looking well, everyone is keeping tabs on Shiba Inu. Bitcoin, the undisputed king of cryptocurrencies, has yet to regain the $109,000 mark, a crucial barrier to what many perceive as the resurgence of market optimism. But things have been going downhill recently. It was unexpected for BlackRock to sell Bitcoin valued at $219 million. How is this happening? An enormous sell-off by one of the biggest institutional investors began, with the increasing interest in Shiba Inus, and has now reached a critical mass. Is there any logic to these seemingly conflicting messages? Have faith that we are devoting significant resources to determining what went wrong. I swear to you that you have to hear what we discovered. But before we get to the bottom of it, allow me to further confuse you. Some very peculiar Shiba Inu behavior has been uncovered by data collected from the on-chain protocol. The total amount of Shiba Inu addresses supplied to whales surged from $223 billion to over $1 trillion, $60 billion in just one day, an astounding nearly five-fold increase. But from here on out, things start to become interesting. Shiba Inus continue to add value to these whale wallets despite all the withdrawals. 382 billion Shiba Inus were distributed, receiving an astounding $1,440 billion. There was an 830% spike from the prior day. How important is such withdrawals could be seen as bearish, indicating that whales might be selling their Shiba Inus. Hold on a second. We found out this week that most Shiba Inu are actually held by exchanges. We may get a slightly different understanding from these numbers if that is indeed the case. The rising net flows could be because vendors are getting their Shiba Inus ready to sell by putting them up for auction. But one thing is certain. With more and more individuals buying and selling Shiba Inus, the market for these dogs is heating up, but now is when it all starts to matter. Who is taking charge? Who has authority over the buyers? Is there a buyer taking charge? Is there a buyer charge that which is being sold? Depending on the direction of the price, maybe we will learn in the next several days. What is the market condition for cryptocurrencies right now? Why is everything currently looking so chaotic and unpredictable? What happened to the rising tide that we were all riding? And where did this wave of uncertainty come from? I will reveal this to you. Regrettably, Elon Musk has just been hit with a federal lawsuit by the SEC for violations of securities laws. Given Musk's immense influence in the Bitcoin market, this statement caused ripples across the whole ecosystem, adding chaos to an already chaotic day. While Elon Musk has a history of legal issues, this latest incident appears to be unique. This is a time-straining matter. Regulatory laws can undergo extensive revisions following the inauguration of the newly elected president of the United States in a few days, especially in the cryptocurrency industry where rules might be vague. This creates a very unclear situation. Additionally, there has always been a domino effect in the market when Musk acts. In addition, there is another turn of events. The chief of the SEC is set to retire in only 5 days. There is widespread speculation that this lawsuit is a pretext to make a statement before the next leadership change, while some in the cryptocurrency community view it as an attempt to gain control. Others are concerned about the market's potential future trajectory due to all the speculation. One particular aspect is noticeable. All this uncertainty is setting the stage for some heated times ahead. Since the issue can have a major influence on the cryptocurrency market in the coming days, we are all closely monitoring it. In light of the SEC's case against Elon Musk, numerous market participants have shared their thoughts on X, and the entire crypto world is buzzing with opinions. One of the notable persons speaking out is Billy Marcus, whose pseudonym is Satoshi Nakamoto. He is a founder of Dogecoin. Marcus cast doubt on the rationale of the action, stating that the SEC's claim that members are concerned this case is an attack against Doge. Musk, who is a vocal supporter of Doge, has frequently inflated value through his Twitter and public pronouncements. Many are asking if the SEC will indirectly or directly pursue this business in light of Musk's impact on the meme coin market, the price, and the litigation. Because of this high-profile event, the meme money space is experiencing